Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about radio button, how to apply radio button in Odoo 19 for our custom module. In today's lecture, we will study about another type of button known as toggle button. How to add toggle button in Odoo 19 for our custom module. Now, what is a toggle button? Let's see. When I go to the website menu, website module, and I here see you, as you can see right beside publish there is a button. It is the toggle button by clicking on and off. So how to implement toggle button in our own custom module? Let's see. So currently in our library management we have a field known as available, right, which is a boolean field. See, now let's make this particular boolean field as a toggle button. Remember, toggle button can only be set to the boolean fields, which means the fields which are data type of boolean, that field only can be set as toggle button. Now in order to make this field as a toggle button, you can simply go to the code. Here, library books, we have available as a boolean field, right? Then we can simply go to its view. In the form view, right here, we can add a widget is equals to boolean underscore toggle. So in order to make a toggle button of a boolean field, you can add a widget known as boolean underscore toggle. Now I'll just simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module, go to the library management, and see, now you can see instead of a checkbox we can see a toggle button, and clicking also you can see the tracking as well. So by adding widget as boolean underscore toggle, you can add the toggle button. Let me summarize today's topic. In order to add the toggle button, all you need to do is in the boolean field, remember it will only work in boolean field, you can add a widget known as boolean underscore toggle. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.